Hey everybody,
Welcome back, or welcome in.
welcome in. I thought we just decided to say hi. I think we decided to say hi. Hi. Welcome if you're new here. Welcome back if you're not. Um, Getting a lot of new subscribers. Thank you to everybody that's subscribed to
Yeah,
our channel. We appreciate that. And thank you for the comments. Oh my gosh, I love reading them. We have some people that are really being interactive with us and telling us about what they're doing. We love to hear that. Your plans sound amazing, all of you. So thank you so much for joining us and watching and being part of this community.
hmm
So today we got two things that we're going to do. This will probably be a very short video because
yeah,
we're very tired. It's the end of the day. The sun is right there in our face. We can't get this lighting thing right.
yeah. No,
Yeah,
no,
it's
and
hot.
yeah, it is. It's starting to. The heat's starting to crank up.
Yeah, I've done all the fertilizing today. So if you've watched our previous videos, you know that's about, hundreds of flowers that we've all fertilized. Everything here is fertilized. We are currently sitting next to our beautiful blue Alaskan weeping cedar. Um, Man, this thing is already putting on a little bit of growth. It's settling in very nicely. It's a beautiful addition.
hmm
We've got all of our Vista bubblegum in the front here that's already putting on growth. Our Gara, which I did add 2 more Gara, and I added some Gomphrena in pink that we grew from seed.
Yep.
Did not do that on video. Apologies, but I just wanted to get it done.
Yep.
No shade to you. I just wanted to get it in the ground and done because it was really hot today. And now that I'm done fertilizing, I'm very tired. But we want to get these done. So this is the first
Yep.
thing.
It's beautiful. This is my child. Well, second child. That's my first child. This is my second child. It is a beautiful eastern white pine. Niagara Falls
Weeping.
weeping
Yes.
pine.
Isley.
Yeah, it's Isley as well.
We love
Niagara
Isley.
Falls eastern white pine.
We love Isley trees. Like,
Yeah,
they're so original and unique. They grow so well for us.
yeah, they really do.
Even though they're from Oregon, even on the West Coast, we're Zone 7 in
Yeah,
Virginia. We we have such good luck with these
yeah.
trees. All of them have grown so well
Yeah,
for us. So
yeah,
thank you, Isley, for that.
and the weepingness. Let me move away a little bit. It's like it's completely was wrapped around me, so you couldn't see the full thing. But
Yeah.
it goes all the way, and this will sprawl out and
Yeah.
be real pretty.
I think it's 10 by 10.
Yes, 10 by 10,
No,
6
6.
by 10, 6 high, 10 wide, 6 to 8 inches per year.
Yeah.
So slow, kind of slow grower.
And this one's going to be very controllable. So if you
Yep.
have a small garden, preferably one where you can spread it out along the ground,
Yep.
get this tree and let it kind of grow out along the ground. With any of the evergreens that you get, if you have a smaller space and you want to size control them, these candles that are coming out, these come out every spring. This is the new growth. It's just called a candle. Just pop those off. Won't hurt the tree one bit. Stunt it just a little bit. Keep it in size control, and
Yep.
you're good to go. But this we hope to kind of nosy around and feel
Yeah.
its way around under this tree. Now you'll notice when we plant, we have the bed is just kind of cut off.
Yep.
We bring in fresh dirt and dump into this space because our soil is terrible.
Yep.
The drainage here is not good, so we're creating new drainage and we're just bringing in new
Yeah.
soil so that we can plant. And we plan to continue that for another 50 to 75 feet. We're doing it a piece at a time.
Yeah.
Because dirt's expensive.
Yeah. We usually add like a ton or two a year.
Yeah. Yeah.
Usually.
We've added 3 tons this year.
Yep.
Because we wanted all this space and we wanted this tree. So we added more for that tree. But anyway, this is the second part of what we're doing today. This is a beautiful salvia. This is a blue on one side and a white on the other side. So there are 2 plants in this pot. I'm going to keep them together because I like the combination. And it mirrors what we have in the containers and the urn on the other side of this space. So we have the white salvia over there. We're going to have white and blue salvia on this side. Now, I got this from Walmart. I'm going to tell you right now, this tag is absolutely useless. It says perennial sage. It does say full sun. It says height 1 to 6 feet.
I don't think I've ever seen salvia reach 6 feet.
No, it's not going to get 1 to 6 feet. I did look it up online. It says about 24 inches tall maximum. It also says zone 5, and we're zone 7. So I'm going to see if this is not like any perennial salvia that I've ever seen. This looks more like any annual salvias that you can get on the market. But we're going to try it. I got 3 of these, and there's a giant spider in there that I just noticed, so we're going to leave that one alone. Yeah, so we're going to try that in a little trio here. I got 3 of them. So we're just going to pop them in the ground and see what happens. If they don't survive, they don't survive. They weren't expensive, $9. Not bad for a perennial. So we're going to see what it does. So with that, we're going to amend this hole for the tree. So we've got a bag of compost, just straight out compost. And we're going to mix that in with the soil, probably about 50-50. We've got hollytone and biotone that we'll be using as well. And I think that's it.
Yep, that's it.
So we're going to get these in the ground. Just breaking it up a little. I am not packing this tree into the ground. I'm lightly tamping. I just want to make sure it's in there good. All right, we're in the ground. You can see here's the level of the bottom of the tree, and down here's where the soil is. So you can see there's a bit of a difference. We did plant this high, and we did that for a reason. Oh, here's one of its old cones. Oh, how cute is that? It has cones all over it, y'all.
Baby.
We did plant it a little bit high because, one, we do plan to come in with compost all the way through here. I think we've said that in a previous video too.
I think so.
That's the goal. We just don't want to do it until everything's in so that we don't mess it up. And then 2, we do plan on adding big rocks to the end of this so that it has something to kind of meander around. So it's going to need a little height on it there too. But I think this looks good.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah. All right. Let's move on to the sage/salvia.
Yeah.
So there we go. I feel like Vanna White.
Yeah.
Is there an O? No. Oh, that's a vowel. You got to buy a vowel.
Wow.
Sorry. Sidetracked. So we got our 3, keep wanting to call them Gara. That's Gara. This is
Sage.
sage. I think that's what's throwing me off. They're not sage.
No, it's salvia.
So we've got our 3 salvia here. I did the blue in the back and the white in the front. And the reason that I did that is because you're going to see the white in front of the blue better than you're going to see the blue in front of the white.
Yep.
Light in front of dark. Yeah. I'm probably going to move that Gara. I don't think that's going to work with the tree that close. But I'm going to leave it for now and see what it does. But it'll probably end up getting moved in the end. Yeah. Because the tree takes priority. In all fairness, I should have planted the tree first. And that was how it was supposed to be. But our schedule didn't work out quite that way. And we weren't sure if we liked it there. We weren't sure if we liked it here. We just kept being wishy-washy. We also planted it very high.
Yep.
I think I explained that in the video, but in case it doesn't make the cut, it's so that it gets good drainage for 1, and 2, we're going to mulch all of this with nice compost, so that'll add another layer of soil, and we're going to add a rock in the front.
Yep.
So that it has something to, so that it has something to kind of grow over. So, I think that's it.
Yeah.
This should be a quick video, I hope.
Yeah. Should be. Yeah, we're done for today. This is all the projects we had in store for
Can you believe
today.
we've only done 1 filming project today?
No.
I know if you've seen our other videos,
Yeah.
we've done like 4 or 5
Usually
in
we
a
do
day.
like, usually well, weekends are usually our only time that we get to
Yeah.
film or really garden just because of our work. And we usually cram in like 4 or 5 videos
Yeah.
on a Saturday or Sunday or break them in between. But this is the only one this weekend.
And it is gardening season.
Yeah.
So that's another reason. You just kind of have to get it done when you can get it done. We hope that our quality of video is getting better. We're working so hard to bring you good content. We're still learning 100%, so please bear with us. We hope that you like this look, though.
Mm-hmm.
Please let us know in the comments if you do. And if you have a tree like this, let us know how you love it.
Yeah.
And Iseli, if you're watching, we need more of these. I love this tree. I love this tree.
It is beautiful.
I love all of our Iseli trees, so I just want to say that too. They're all
Mm-hmm.
fantastic. But anyway, we've got so much more planting to do in this area. We are not going to do that today.
Nope.
Michael is out of town for a week.
Yep.
So you're probably going to get some videos with just me as I plant some more things because I want to get them off the porch and on the ground, and I know you're going to be happy about that.
Yes,
100%. They're taking up space.
Yeah.
So anyway, what do they need to do?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
As always, we appreciate you so much. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.
Bye.